What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. As you can see by the title, Kyrie Flytrap 2. First time getting these things in hand, doing a review for you guys. We're going to talk about them. Let me know what you guys' overall opinion is about these things in the comment section below. Shout out to everybody watching the videos around the world. I appreciate the support, man. If you are new, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Everybody, make sure your notifications are on. Alright, so as you can see, it's a different box than what we're normally used to for the Kyrie shoe as a whole. This has no Kyrie branding on it at all. It's just a orange Nike box, a traditional orange Nike box, but the heat inside of it is not typical, not basic. Without further ado, of course, we're gonna go ahead and open this thing up. Let me move LeBron out the way real quick. How you guys been, man? Hopefully your day's been going great, your week's been going great. You know, we are in the next month now. What is this now? May. Hopefully you guys get the shoes you guys want and you guys are healthy and things just go great for you, you know what I'm saying? These right here are dope, man. They're real subtle, dark colors with a little bit of hint of some of the flash going on, as you see. Pretty much an all dark, like a smoke gray upper with black. Then you got this gold Nike swoosh and this gold, I don't know what you want to call this, that goes around the heel cup. It's plastic, but it's a gold thing. Got the gold and black hints around the lacing area, as well as a gold Kyrie logo. These are the Kyrie Flytrap 2, the budget sneaker from Kyrie. Pretty dope, man. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below as I get the other shoe out. Now we got them both out the box. Of course, we're gonna get the up close and personal visuals for these and their own feet so you guys can see what these things look like. But what do you guys think about these overall as a basketball shoe and as a budget sneaker? You got the Kyrie Flytrap 2, you got the Mamba, Mamba Focus, I guess you got the Mamba Rages also, you got the LeBron Witness 3s that are out right now, the KD Trait 5s. A lot of good budget sneakers out there, man, and they do the job. I know somebody personally who owns a pair of the Kyrie Flytrap 1s. I recommended them. He went after them, he wears them, he likes them a lot. These are the Flytrap 2s. We're gonna try these things out on feet. Not too much on court, not sure. I'm debating on these. But what do you guys think about them as a whole, bro? You get some technology in the shoe a little bit more than you would on other budget sneakers. This does have Nike Zoom, so it's pretty much like a Kyrie Low or a Kyrie 4 with the Zoom. You know, Kyrie 5 has that Zoom Turbo, which is the upgraded. So you still get some top-notch, you know, technology going on in the budget sneaker. This one retails for, I believe, $80 retail. You can find these mostly, if not online, you can find these inside the Macy's that are like, there's like a finish line inside of a Macy's. Those tend to usually have the Flytrap and the budget sneakers. Some normal finish lines, I haven't really seen too many Flytraps at regular finish lines. I might see a LeBron Witness or something like that, or a KD Trait 5 maybe, but never really seen a Flytrap inside of a normal finish line. Let me know if you guys have found that. That's dope. Has Zoom Air, like I said. Then it also has this elastic band on the upper over the lace area to strap and keep you know, your foot secure, similar to what the Flytrap would be on the new Kyrie 5. Low cut, you know what I mean? So it's similar to the Kyrie Low. The colorways, they got a lot of good colorways of the Kyrie Flytrap 2. If you have a favorite colorway, make sure you know, comment down that in the put that down there in the comment section, if you will. This is a pretty dope one. It's subtle, it's dark, it goes with a lot of things out there. Let me know, like I said, your favorite colorway. I did a video recently. I came across maybe 4 other colorways that I hadn't seen before. And this is the first time actually seeing this in hand. And my first time actually seeing the picture was like a day or two before that. So this must be one of the newer colorways to have been released. Kyrie Flytrap 2, definitely something I would recommend because of the budget price. It's lower than the PG2. It's a dope shoe, has some great technology on it. We're gonna try it on feet, but from when I tried it on inside the store, it's pretty comfortable. It's not too bad, you know what I'm saying? I think this is definitely something you would want to use on the court. I didn't feel right when I was walking around in it as something for style. I just didn't like how it felt on my foot, but for basketball, I could see why it would be perfect. So, you know what I'm saying, without further ado, we're gonna get to the highlights of this shoe. Pardon me, outside, I live on the main street, so sometimes it gets crazy. About to get to the on feet plus the highlights. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. What do y'all think about this Flytrap 2? Huh? This colorway's not bad at all. I wish they had something going on the inside, but it's a budget sneaker. You don't get the little accents and little extras, you know what I'm saying? I wish this thing was 3M. But overall, I'm not mad at this shoe. Fits good.